you're looking for a good Italian pasta salad, you've come to the right place. My husband Jason is Italian, and after being married for nearly a decade, I've come to realize that he's pretty picky when it comes to his favorite dishes. Luckily, after lots of testing, he's given this recipe a thumbs up. I'm going to show you how to properly cook the pasta so that it soaks up all of that irresistible, zesty dressing. So stick around. For this recipe, I use rotini. It's a shortcut type of pasta that has lots of twists and grooves to trap the flavorful dressing inside. It's important to cook the pasta to a certain doneness, and you might be surprised to find out why. Let's head over to the stove and get started. In a large pot, bring 4 quarts of water and 1 tablespoon of salt to a boil. Add 1 pound of rotini pasta and cook for about 9 to 10 minutes or until tender. As a culinary scientist, I would love for you to geek out with me for a second. Typically when we cook pasta, we'll do it till it's al dente or a little bit chewy in the center. But for a cold pasta salad, we want the noodles to be soft throughout, but not mushy. That extra time boiling in the water is going to activate the starches so that the surface gets a little bit more sticky so that the dressing can cling to it better and absorb more flavor. Let's take a test. That's perfect. Drain the pasta and rinse with cold water for about 1 minute until the noodles are cool. This will immediately stop the cooking process and firm up the noodles. Shake off any excess water and then transfer to a large bowl. After college, I had the chance to travel throughout Italy, and I absolutely fell in love with antipasto. It's an appetizer platter that has cured meats, amazing cheeses, pickled vegetables, and briny olives. And guess what? We're going to put it all into the pasta. We need to make sure that we cut those mix-ins into bite-sized pieces so that they complement the size of the noodles. Cut 6 ounces of mozzarella cheese balls into halves. Slice 4 ounces of salami into 1/4 inch thick strips. Cut 1 cup of baby tomatoes into halves. Chop both green and red bell peppers into 1/2 inch dice and measure out about 1/2 cup each. Chop 1/2 cup of red onion into 1/4 inch dice. Measure out 1/2 cup of sliced black olives. Slice 1/3 cup of pepperoncini. Add the ingredients to the bowl with the pasta. Add 1 tablespoon parsley and 1 tablespoon of basil. Stir to combine. Now I'm going to make an Italian dressing. We don't want a greasy and broken vinaigrette, so it's really important that you slowly drizzle in the olive oil and whisk constantly. This is going to break the fat into small droplets so that we have a uniform oil and water emulsion. When done right, you're going to have a thickened dressing that's going to cling onto the ingredients. I also add in a little bit of mayonnaise, honey, and mustard to act as emulsifying agents, which is going to keep the vinaigrette stable for longer. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1/3 cup red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon mustard, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons mayonnaise, 1½ teaspoons garlic, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and an 1/8 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Slowly drizzle in 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons olive oil and vigorously whisk until a thickened, emulsified dressing forms. Taste and season with more salt and pepper as desired. For the freshest taste, I recommend adding 1 cup of the Italian dressing to the pasta right before you're ready to serve. And don't worry, I made sure that there was extra dressing in the recipe so you could drizzle some more on later or serve it on the side. And then I also like to add a little bit of black pepper on top, little bit more fresh parsley. Oh my gosh, you guys, I see my husband drooling over there. He can't wait to dig in. Now you can make the salad ahead of time, but I would wait to add the dressing until right before you're ready to eat. If you guys have any recipe or technique requests, feel free to share in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys down there. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out this one. It's one of my favorites. I hope you enjoyed the science behind Italian pasta salad, and if you did, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe. It really means a lot when you do. Thanks for watching, and remember, cook with confidence. You got this. See you later.